The incline bench press is often forgot about in favor of the bench press. But today, we're going to give it the love it deserves and show you how to master the technique. To set up the incline bench press, we want to be at roughly a 45-degree angle. It needs to be high enough so that it's a different movement than the bench press, but not so high that it turns into an overhead press. I usually have people start with a grip the same as their flat bench, or a thumb length out, and then experiment. Shorter individuals with narrower shoulders will benefit from a closer grip, and taller individuals with wider shoulders will likely benefit from a wider grip. We want to keep the wrist stiff and the bar on the meaty part of the thumb. We don't want to let it roll back into the fingers or have our wrist bend excessively back. To set up, we want to retract the shoulder blades, pulling the shoulder blades down and contracting the muscles of the upper back. We want to keep a nice tight back throughout this movement. And we have a full video on tips and drills for shoulder retraction, so check that out. Get really good at controlling this movement and then practice while you're actually benching. The bar path should follow a similar angle to the incline of the bench. We want to lower under control, touching the upper third part of our chest with either a light touch or a pause, and then drive it back up at the same angle as the bench. Keep your elbows in when you push up without excessively flaring them out. We want to push hard with the legs and create some tension in the lower body. Just don't push so hard that your butt is coming off the bench or you're sliding up it. Our last technique tip is to find a rhythm with your breath. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing here, but get yourself in a rhythm that doesn't have you doing 3 reps in a row with your breath held and then gasping for air. We also do not want to be inhaling as we push off the chest. I prefer to get a good breath at the top and hold it the whole rep, but some people like to breathe in on the way down too. As long as you are tight, braced, and ready to go when you need to push up, you will be fine. The incline bench isn't incredibly complicated, but there are some technique details. If you master the few simple things that we went over, you'll have great incline technique while keeping your shoulders healthy, lifting heavy weights. If you have any questions or future video ideas, please leave me a comment below.